Listen, started from zero, now I'm building my lane. Every single failure only sharpen my brain. They said I won't make it, now I'm breaking the chain. Every drop of my swag was never wasted.
This is great. This is great. In this video, I'm about to kill two birds with one stone. So if you're a content creator, especially on YouTube, and you create a lot of content on YouTube, make sure you stick around this video. And also, if you are someone that is just learning how to use AI, how artificial intelligence is working, make sure you still stay back because this video is going to help you. I believe that most of you might have come across many music and you cannot really tell which one is AI and which one is not. Yes, because right now we have music created with AI and most times it's even hard for you to actually identify which one is made with AI. So in this video, we are going to be creating a music from beginning to the end using AI. The script, the vocals, the music beats, instrumentals, everything is going to be done with AI and it's going to be very fast. It's not going to take your time. And also, if you're a YouTube content creator and you know one thing about YouTube content is that when it comes to using of music, you have to be very careful to avoid getting copyright strike because of the music that you are using. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create background music from beginning to the end for any of your video that won't get any copyright strike. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you that in this video, so I won't be wasting much of your time because I'll be diving in straight. So before we get into the video, if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Suno and I teach about content creation, YouTube growth and AI stuff. That's what we do on this channel. So if that is something that you love, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video and share the video to as many that you know that this video will be helpful to. So without more further ado, let's dive into the video. In this video, we are going to be doing a detailed breakdown on this platform called Open Music. Yes, Open Music. This is the Open Music.ai platform where you can create music, background music and instrumental for any purpose that you are using it for. So over here, if I come to my dashboard here, you'll see that I've already created this is a background music that I've created before. Let me just play it. You can see how it sounds, right? Yeah. So I also created a main music using this platform. Come, let me play it. Okay.
Oh, Jesus, you to lead my way. Everybody lift your voice. New day is a gift.
You can see how the music is coming out very great, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you too can create this music and how you can also use this platform to create your background music. Just as you can see here, you can use it to generate music. You can even use it to generate lyrics, AI songs cover, AI singing voice generator, and even AI music video. Also, I use this platform to generate AI music video and it came out well. But in this video, I won't be creating music video because that would be too long for this video. So if you want me to create it for another video, let me know. So I will make a separate video for that, how to create AI music for this platform. And one thing I love about this platform is that to generate music, you just need only 2 credits. Only 2 credits to generate music. That is really mind-blowing. So I won't be wasting your time. We are going to be generating music. Yes, we are going to be generating music together. So let's just dive into it so that you will see how this platform actually works when it comes to music generation. So I'll be generating my script. Yes, you can either use prompts. You can just tell the platform this kind of music I want. Use your prompt to actually generate the music, or you can generate it using lyrics. Yes, lyrics. So in this video, I'm going to be generating it using lyrics, and we are going to be generating the lyrics together. So to generate the lyrics, you can either use this AI lyrics generator, or you can use, or if you're like me, you can come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to do it for you. So over here, I'll just ask ChatGPT to generate it for me. I just tell the ChatGPT generate a music lyrics for a motivational. You can use it for any kind of music that you want to generate. Motivational song for people that are still hustling. Telling them not to give up. Make sure your prompt is very detailed so that your ChatGPT will know what you want. So I'll continue. Make it in Nigeria style music. Make it a Nigeria style music, and one verse of this song should be rap music. So we just generated it, so let's see how it's going to go. Wow, so you can see the title here. You're going to copy the title and you're going to copy the song. Yes, so right now let's do it. First of all, copy. You can use your phone for this platform. Yes, you can use your phone. I just want everything to, I want you to understand everything. That's why I'm using my laptop. Sorry, I don't know why this thing is not. Okay, let me just copy it from here. Copy, then I'll take it here, paste in the lyrics, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Sorry about that. Okay, now next thing, just scroll down. See, now you have to describe the style. Now I'll just still come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me the best style. Give me the best style that fits this music, so that I can give my AI to generate it for me. So now if that it has given me, so I'll just copy it. We'll see. We are pasting it here. This is too long. I'm coming. Let's just make it should be less than 1000 words. Make it less than 1000 words. Yeah, I think we are done. I'm going to paste it here. I'm coming. let's do 1000. So make sure you follow this so that you actually understand how it works. So I think this one will work right now. Yes. This work. Now over here, I'll put in the title. What is the title of our music again? Title: No Give Up. Control C. Put in title here. Control C, Control V. So over here you can choose random male or female. Me, I love it in male. I love using male voice on music. You can actually see select this one, but since you already put in the style, I don't think there's any need for you to select all these ones here. The next thing you just have to do is to come over here and click on generate. Yes, click on generate. Once you click on generate, wait for it to generate. So as you can see here, this is it here. It's generating, and you just need only 2 credits to generate this particular music. Also, the same thing, if you want to generate your cover, just your background music, then you can use prompt. Just come over here and you can ask GPT to generate this kind of prompt for you to do this. Like you want to create a kind of background music like this for me, ask GPT to give you the prompt, paste it here. Once you paste it here, just click on generate and your background music will be generated. Right now, look at here, our music is still generating. So this is it. Let's listen to it.
For every dream we still dream. Yeah. This one not for you. No give up.
So this is nice.
Every morning I do wake with hope. Even when the road no smooth. Pocket empty, I still full. Cause I know say better days go come. People laugh, people talk, say my dream too big to fly. But I keep my eyes on the future. One day everybody will testify. If you fall today, stand up again. Every little step, don't be in vain. Your time is coming, believe I'm now. Don't let fear bring you down.
Wow.
Your blessing they come. Keep moving forward, no more where you from. One more try, one more day. God no forget the person will pray. No give up.
You see, I'm trying to wait for the rap side to listen to how the rap side will come out, but this is already making sense.
Many nights I love to sleep, thinking how tomorrow will be. Still I smile, still I fight, because I know life follows night. No shortcut, no easy road. Every sweat is building gold. One small step, another one. Before you know, the race is won. Listen. Started from zero, now I'm building my lane. Every single failure only sharpened my brain. They said I won't make it, now I'm breaking the chain. Every drop of my sweat was never wasted.
This is great. Man.
Still progress. Every setback, still process. Mama said, son, never stop. Even when the mountains are too high to climb, pressure make diamonds. Remember that.
Wow, this is amazing. It's amazing. So you can see this is the first one, this is the second one. These two, they are actually the same song, the same lyrics, maybe just different style. So I won't be playing these other ones. I really love this one. Let me just download it. You can just click on this download here, click on MP3, and your music will be downloaded. So if you want me to also teach you how to create AI music video using this platform, don't worry, we are going to be diving into that very soon. So let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to make a specific video for that. And also, if you want to still know how to generate instrumentals using this platform, just let me know. But know that this platform, they also still have a pricing this thing. Just as you can see on my this thing, I have 185 credits here, which means I'm not using the free version, I'm using the paid version. Yeah, so if you go to their pricing here, you can see their pricing. Let's go to the monthly. For a month, you can get up to 200 credit for $14, $29 for, so you can see the amount here which you can get, and yearly you can also see the credits here which you can get for your yearly plan, and you can see the benefit on it. So you can see it, so you can actually subscribe to anyone that you want to subscribe to. So guys, this is actually it for this video, and I hope you learned it. If you have any questions, so let me know in the comment section, and I'll be ready to give you answers to any of your questions. My name is Suno. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.